Alright, so here's how we use Sarah to build a meal plan for pickup as a meal kit at Whole Foods Market. So first things first, we select a lifestyle. So I'm going under Kate's Picks. I'm going to see what looks good to me this week. Ooh, how about salmon with cipollini onions and cherry tomatoes? Once you click the recipe, you'll be able to see the ingredients, the pantry items, nutrition information. I like it, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to my meal plan. Select the day, Monday, and for dinner for 2. Looks good. So that one's added to my meal plan, so I'm going to click Lifestyle again and go ahead and choose another meal. Alright, this time I want vegetarian, so I'm going to click that and take a peek at the options we have available here. And if I don't see something I like, I can always go back to lifestyle and back to that category. So creamy Tuscan white beans and garlic and sage sounds amazing. Looks good to me. I'm going to add it to my meal plan. And this one I'm going to be having for dinner on Wednesday. 2 portions. Go ahead and add it. Take a peek at my meal plan. Make sure it looks good. Alright, perfect. So let's go back to lifestyle. I'm going to add one more dinner for the week. So typically I like to plan about 3 dinners and at least 1 lunch. So let's look at something gluten-free. The options available come up. Scroll through, see if anything catches my eye. I think I'm going to go with that chicken. Alright, so we'll click on that. Again, the recipe will come up. I can read the description, decide if it sounds good, add it to my meal plan, and select the day. Let's do Friday. For dinner, 2 portions, add it to my meal plan. Alright, so that's looking good. So I have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday dinners planned. And now let's find something for lunch. So I'm going to go back to vegetarian and see something that would look good to maybe prep ahead for the week. They all look good. How about this tofu with carrot ribbons? Yum. Okay, so that sounds amazing. Let's add that to my meal plan. I think I'm going to prep it on Saturday for lunch and I'll have it for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and add it Saturday, lunch, 2 portions, add it to my meal plan. And you can always review your meal plan, and if you don't want something, you can just remove it. So I think that looks good. Now it's time to shop. And I'm going to select meal kit for pickup at Whole Foods as my shopping option, so that means it'll be bagged up, ready to go. Select a pickup date. Also, if I need any pantry items, I can select as many as I need and add those in. And then you just check out. So I'll see exactly what I'm ordering, how much it cost, hit purchase, and once I finish checking out, I'll get a confirmation and I'll be ready to pick up on my selected date at Whole Foods Market.